What is data types? Let's look into it. A data type is a classification of types of data that determine the kind of operations that can be performed on that data. In other words, a data type is a way of specifying the type of data that a variable can hold in a computer program. There are several different types of data types, including numeric data types. These include integer, floating point, and complex types. Integer types store whole numbers, floating point types store decimal numbers, and complex types store complex numbers. Boolean data type. This data type represents true or false values. String data type. This data type represents a sequence of characters, such as a word or a phrase. Array data type. This data type represents a collection of values of the same data type, stored in a contiguous block of memory. Struct data type. This data type is a composite data type that allows you to store multiple values of different data types in a single unit. Pointer data type. This data type stores the memory address of another data type. In most programming languages, data types are classified into two categories: primitive data types and non-primitive data types. Primitive data types are the basic data types that are built into the programming language, while non-primitive data types are defined by the programmer or provided by the programming language's libraries. It is important to choose the appropriate data type for a given variable, as this can impact the efficiency and accuracy of a program. For example, using an integer data type to store a large decimal number can result in a loss of precision, while using a floating point data type to store a small whole number can result in unnecessary memory usage. In conclusion, data types are an important aspect of programming, as they determine the kind of data that a variable can hold and the operations that can be performed on that data. By choosing the appropriate data type, programmers can ensure that their programs are efficient, accurate, and easy to maintain.